How to show week numbers in calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Calendar app. After click on Calendar app, click on this three line icon and click on Settings icon. Now in Calendar settings, scroll down and click on Show week numbers. After click on Show week numbers, so make sure turn on Show week number button. After turn on Show week number, so if you want to, you will select the week with the first Tuesday for of the year, the week with the first day of the year. So you will select feature from option from here. After select, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show week number in calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.